Top 4 AI photo editing tools for cross-border dropshippers. Background remover. Start by removing the background from your supplier photo. Choose the AI model. Just upload the image and click Run. In just a few seconds, you'll get a clean cutout that's ready for your next edit. Background replacer. Now let's create a more professional product photo. Upload the cutout image, enter a simple prompt describing your ideal scene, and let the AI generate a premium e-commerce background in seconds. Perfect for Shopify and Amazon listings. Image upscaler. If your supplier image looks blurry or low resolution, simply upload it to the image upscaler. After a few seconds, the photo becomes much sharper while preserving the original details. Object remover. Finally, remove unwanted text or watermarks with the object remover. Brush over the areas you want to erase. Click Run, and the AI naturally fills in the missing parts for a clean, polished result. Try 1 Minute AI for free and create professional product photos in minutes.